Assalamu alaikum everyone. The topic I'm going to cover today is the expected return on the project, the premiums. The question I'm going to cover is question number 15B to E. I've already covered 15A in another video. Chapter 8 of the 10th edition of Principles of Corporate Finance book by Brealey Myer and Alen. So the question we are given is that the treasury bill rate is 4% and the expected return on the market portfolio is 12%. Using this information and the capital asset pricing model, we have to find the market risk premium on the market, or the market risk premium. Now, the formula for the market, the first thing you need to know is the formula for market risk premium. CAPM, which we have already seen in the last video, is equal to the expected return is equal to the risk-free rate plus beta times of market return minus the risk-free rate. This relationship, market return minus the risk-free rate, is your market risk premium. It's very simple to calculate market risk premium. All you have to do is take the difference between the market return and the risk-free rate. So 12% minus 4%, that is equal to 8%. So once you have the market risk premium, that's the answer for part B. Once you have market risk premium, the second question asks you for the part C asks you for what is the required rate on the investment with a beta of 1.5. Now, we are given a beta. The beta is 1.5. We already know this. Now we have to find the required rate of return. Using the formula of CAPM, RF plus beta times of RM minus RF is our market risk premium, which is 8%. So that's the simplified formula. RF plus beta times of the market risk premium. And we get, when beta is 1.5, the required return on this investment should be 16%. Okay. Next part. If the investment with beta of 0.8 offer an expected return of 9.8%, does it have positive NPV? It's a very interesting question. We know the beta of the project is 0.8. Using CAPM, we can find the required return. So when beta is 0.8, we can use 0.8 times of the market risk premium plus the risk-free rate, and we get, so what we have is the risk-free rate plus beta times the market risk premium. So that's 10.4%. We know the security is going to generate, should generate 10.4%. And we also know it is generating 9.8% actual return, or actual expected return. The required and the SML for similar risk line is 10.4%, but the actual expected return we expect is 9.8%. Now, looking at the SML line that we created, and we'll plot this point at 0.8 beta, the market actual expected return is only 9.8%. So that's over here, this red dot, which is below the SML line. So the question is, does this project have positive NPV? The answer is any project below the SML line can have positive NPV. So positive NPV is not the issue. A project that lies below this line can have positive NPV. A project that lies below this line could have negative NPV. We cannot tell by the position with regards to the SML. What we know is this security, this investment is not the best alternative for us. On the SML line, there's another project which will give us a higher return for the same level of risk. So for us, it would be better if we invest in a project that lies on the SML line. So NPV can be positive, but it's better to invest on the project that lies on the SML as for the same risk, 0.8. This project that lies on the SML is giving me higher return. So it's not about NPV, it's more about the return expectation. So moving towards the last part E of this question, I'm going to freeze my panes so that you can view the question as I'm doing the question. So in part E, what I'm given is if the market expects a return of 11.2% from a stock X, what is its beta? Now, what we know for sure is the expected return. That's 11.2%. We have to find the beta. For this, we'll have to rearrange this statement. In the same CAPM equation, I need to find beta. I know Ri, I know Rf, and I know Rm. All three values are given to me. So to do this, what I'll do is Ri minus Rf is equal to beta times the market risk premium. Then I'm only going to divide the market risk premium on the other side. Ri minus Rf divided by Rm minus Rf is my beta. So beta is Ri minus Rf, the expected return minus the risk-free rate, over divided by the risk premium, market return minus the risk-free rate. On the top, in the numerator, what you have is the premium on this investment less the premium on the market. Beta can be defined as the premium on this investment divided by the premium on the market. So to calculate this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the expected return on this investment less the is equal to the expected return on this investment minus the risk-free rate divided by the market risk premium, and that is 0.9. The corresponding beta for a stock with 11.2% return is 0.9. All you have to do is Ri, the expected return on the security, minus Rf. 11.20 minus 4% divided by the market risk premium of 8%. Okay. So over here, it is important to remember that any stock or portfolio that lies on the SML will follow beta, will follow CAPM model, and its risk is captured by beta, the market sensitivity. So all these expectations and premiums are with regards to the market, not with regards to inflation, not with regards to credit, not with regards to sovereignty risk. All these premiums are simply with regards to the market. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.